All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how to save your files in Photoshop. Now, one thing to realize here is currently this file format is a PSD, so it is opened up in Photoshop. And if you take a look right here, it says Star Wars Movie Poster .psd. Now, what's good about having a Photoshop file is all of these layers that we have, all of these adjustments and things that we've done to it. When I save it as a Photoshop file, I keep all those things. So if it's the end of the day and you want to save your work and we need to continue working on it tomorrow, make sure you're saving your PSD. Um, and also, when you're working on a complex project, it's always a good idea to keep your PSD. However, when we go to turn it in, Photoshop files are very large. The .psd is a very large extension. It takes longer for it to upload. It takes longer for me to view your images. So let's go over the two ways I want you to save your work. We're going to go File, Save As, and we will go to your Creative Cloud, and we're going to go into your work. And then right here it says Save As Type. So we want to save it as a Photoshop file. So we're going to hit Save. And then the next pop-up is going to say OK. Now it's already in here, so I'm not going to do that step. So that's your Photoshop file. Now we're going to make the version that we're going to turn into Teams. We have all these layers here, so what we want to do is we want to scrunch them down, make them flat. So we're going to go up here to where it says Layer, and we're going to go Flatten Image. And it's going to ask if you want to hide any, discard, or hidden layers. Say OK. So now we have a background layer, one layer, it's all squished down, and we're ready to convert it to a JPEG file. So then we're going to go File, Save As, and then where it says Save As Type, we're going to click on here, and we're going to go with the JPEG option. Now, sometimes there's a big list and it says JPEG, JPEG 2000, JPEG Stereo. We just want the JPEG, the first one, the JPEG. So we click on that, and we'll see that it says Star Wars Type, and it's going to save it as a JPEG. And then I'm going to hit Save, and I'm going to hit OK. So then it saves it. At this point, if we go into File Explorer, we'll see that it is in my Creative Cloud, and I believe I put it in my work. And so you're going to go and find that Star Wars movie poster. Oh, here's another little good thing to know. If you look here, you'll see Star Wars movie poster. Here's my JPEG, and here's my Adobe Photoshop. So this is the one that I'm going to attach to my assignment in Teams, and I'm going to upload that one. So there you go. There's your types, your two different types of file formats that we're working with here. Save your PSD, because I might say, hey, go back and work on that, do some adjustments, and you're going to want that PSD. If I just go ahead and open up the JPEG, all I have is a flattened file, and I can't do anything. I can't come in here and adjust my text. I can't move things around. Everything's flattened. You're going to want to have that PSD. So hopefully that helps. Look forward to seeing what you guys turn in.